Hi guys, and welcome to Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making some garlic spicy shrimp. So I have 2 pounds of shrimp. They are jumbo. Some parsley flakes, which is a teaspoon and a half. We have a teaspoon of Old Bay. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder. We have some crushed red peppers, which is a half a teaspoon. We have a teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of cayenne, lemon, which is a third of a cup of lemon, and we have 3 large cloves of garlic and a whole stick of butter. So let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get our butter into our pan and get that melted down. It's already starting to melt. So now we're going to get our garlic into the pan with our butter. That melt down. That's good. So now we're going to add our crushed red peppers. Not much. I don't want it too spicy. You want it spicy, but not too spicy. Good. Turn our flames down to medium high. You don't want it too high. That's enough to melt the butter and to cook the shrimp. Our cayenne pepper, I'm going to put, let's throw all of it in there. Why not? Our pepper in. Our garlic powder. Our onion powder. Our Old Bay. And this is just making the sauce that we're going to cook our shrimp in. Our buttery, spicy garlic. And notice that I didn't put any salt in here because the Old Bay has tons of salt in it. I'm not going to do that. So we're going to cook these shrimp in batches. Because you don't want it to start steaming. We want it to cook. Oh, it smells so good in here, guys. It smells so good in here. You guys got to try this recipe at home. Let me know in the comment section, have y'all ever had spicy garlic shrimp? And if so, how did you guys make it? Did you like it? You know? Oh. Alright. See guys already penetrating the oil and everything. So now, we're going to just drizzle a little lemon juice all over the shrimp, just like that. And just hit it. Ooh, gosh, it's pretty already. Already it's pretty. Look at that. You see that? Beautiful shrimp. Beautiful shrimp. So let me get these cooking, and then I'm gonna flip them and be right back to show you what to do next. Okay, so we're back, and I'm getting ready to flip shrimp. And I cook these like 2 minutes on each side. smells so delicious in here. And off camera, I had made a dipping sauce for the shrimp. It's just mayo, lemon juice, Old Bay, and parsley flakes. It's a really good dipping sauce. If you checked out my lobster sandwich, I made that same dipping sauce. You can go back to that video to get the ingredients and see everything that I put in it, and watch that video. But by the shrimp being spicy, that mayo will cool down the shrimp if you really don't like the spice. And if you didn't like the crushed red peppers or the cayenne, you could just leave that out and just have a garlic butter shrimp. I'm telling you, it would be absolutely delicious just like that. So, like, share, and subscribe. And I'm about to show y'all my final product of my shrimp. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. Try this, guys. Try this. And try your shrimp. And let me know what you think. Turn this off. And if you wanted to, you could just take that sauce and just pour it right over top. Just like so. Absolutely delicious on here. So, like, share, and subscribe, guys. The shrimp are hot. I'm going to try to reach one at the bottom. And then I'm going to try to get some of this sauce on here. Just like that. Like that, guys. Just like that. You see that? Oh my goodness. I'm going to give it a taste. It's absolutely amazing. Like, share, and subscribe, and try you some of these spicy shrimp. Look so delicious, so amazing. You can't help yourself. You will eat this whole bowl by yourself. Alright, guys. As always, have a wonderful day.